is in standard tuning. Okay, let's have a little listen to this lick. It goes like this. So to play that, we're going to start with the first finger on B5, and then hammer on to B8 with the third finger. So you got. We then jump down to the E string and play E5 and hammer on to E8. And then we're going to slide that finger up to E10. So you can do the hammer on and then slide. So far you've got. And then pull off back to the fret 8 with to your first finger. So you got. And then B10, you could pluck it if you want, or you could hammer that onto the B10, whichever you prefer. I quite like playing it without plucking it, but you might want to pluck it. So we've got B10 and then B8. So far you've got. Okay, a bit faster. A bit faster still. Okay, we then go up the first finger up to fret 10 and hammer on from B10 to B13. So I shift my first finger up 2 frets. So from the beginning you've got. I then play E10, hammer on to E12 and then slide up to E15. And then pull off back to the E12. So if we go to the B10 that starts on beat 2, so B10 hammers onto B13, you got. And then it goes back to B15 and pulls off to B13. Okay, so the whole of bar 1 slowly. Play a bit faster. Bit faster still. Up speed. We then play our first finger on B15, hammer onto B17, then E15, hammers to E17, slide up to E20, and then pull off back to E17. So you got. And then we're going to go B20, pull off to B17. And then finish with a B20, bending up a tone. So bar 2 slowly. And a bit faster. A bit faster still. Okay, so let's put the whole lick together. Now it sounds nice slowly, but it also sounds cool fast as well. So let's start slow and we'll build it up. So here we go. Ready, and. Bit faster, here we go. Ready, and. Bit faster. Faster still. That sounds pretty cool, that sort of speed. Let's try and get a bit faster. Here we go. Any faster? Failed. I need to do a bit more practice. Here we go. There you go. So hopefully